Did you know that Tarbela Dam is the largest earth-filled dam in the world? It is located near Swabi and 105 kilometers northwest of Islamabad. This humongous dam was constructed on the river Indus, a river in Pakistan. The primary purpose of the dam was to store water for irrigation and the generation of electricity. The construction of the dam started in 1968 and ended in 1976. The dam was built 143 meters above the river belt, with a storage capacity of 11.1 maf. The maximum elevation level of the dam is 1550 feet. Speaking of electricity generation, the dam has 17 water turbines solely dedicated to producing hydroelectric power. With a power generation capacity of 4,888 megawatts, the Tarbela Dam produces around 70% of hydroelectric power. Tarbela Dam in Pakistan. Rawal Dam, one of the most famous dams in Pakistan, is located in Islamabad. The dam was built to provide water supply to the twin cities of Pakistan. The construction of the dam started in 1962. The dam has a water capacity of around 42,000 acre-feet. Apart from being a water storage facility, Rawal Dam is also one of the most famous places to visit in Islamabad. People come here for recreational activities such as horseback riding, boating, fishing, and vice versa. It is also a perfect family picnic spot. Rawal Dam in Islamabad. Diamer Bhasha Dam. Most of the significant part of this dam is located in the Kohistan district, KPK, and a small portion is located in Diamer, Gilgit-Baltistan. Currently, the dam is under construction, and after its completion, it is anticipated to be the world's highest dam. The dam is being constructed on the river Indus. With its 12 turbines, the dam will have the ability to produce 4,800 megawatts of electricity. Moreover, with an area of 110 square kilometers, it has a water storage capacity of around 8 maf. For instance, we used to struggle a lot in the past just to check our electricity bills. The plan for establishing the Diamer Bhasha Dam was presented by General Pervez Musharraf, former President of Pakistan. Despite the dam's inauguration, construction has often stopped due to insufficient funds. This 4,500 megawatts power generating dam project was estimated at $12 billion at the start, but according to various experts, the total cost of the dam could range from $18 to $20 billion. The construction of the Diamer Bhasha Dam has started again, and it will take around 9 years to complete. The maximum height of the proposed dam will be 270 meters, with a storage capacity of about 74 million acre-feet. The dam project will cover 110 square kilometers. According to experts, this dam can bring economic development to Pakistan. It will also increase the lifespan of the Tarbela Dam by 35 years. Mangla Dam is one of the CX. Mangla Dam is not only a water reservoir but an essential player in the international treaty between Pakistan and India, the Indus Waters Basement Treaty. The dam was constructed on the river Jhelum, a river in Punjab, and got its name from the nearby village, Mangla. It was constructed in 1965, and, at the time of construction, Mangla Dam was considered the 5th largest dam in the world. Currently, it is the 12th largest dam in the world, with a length of 3,140 meters and a height of 147 meters. The Mangla Reservoir can store 7.39 million acre-feet (MAF) of water. The primary purpose of Mangla Dam is irrigation and power generation for the nearby areas. With its 10 turbines, the dam can produce 1310 megawatts of electricity. Mangla Dam in Pakistan. Khanpur Dam. Khanpur Dam, a multi-purpose water storage facility, is located in Tehsil Kanpur district, Haripur of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. It is built on the Haro River. The dam's primary purpose was to supply drinking water to the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. In addition to that, the Khanpur Dam also provides irrigation water to Islamabad, Haripur, Attock, and Rawalpindi. The construction of the dam started in 1967, and it took 15 years the completion of the dam. 1,385.10 million rupees was estimated to be spent on constructing the Khanpur Dam. According to the WAPDA, Khanpur Dam is 167 feet and has a water storage capacity of 79,980 acre-feet. Khanpur is one of the favorite picnic spots of the locals. People love visiting the dam, especially during the summer season. The place is well known for its tourist attractions, such as cliff jumping, jet skiing, kayaking, and camping. Also, there is a water resort here where people can stay. Khanpur Dam in Pakistan. Hub Dam. This small dam is located in the Karachi district of Sindh and the Lasbela district of Balochistan. The dam is constructed on the Hub River. The construction of the dam started in 1963 and ended in 1981. Hub Dam covers an area of 24,300 acres on the border of the Sindh-Balochistan provinces. The water storage of the dam is 857,000 acre-feet. Mirani Dam. Mirani Dam is located at the Dasht River south of the Central Makran Range in the Kech district in the Balochistan province of Pakistan. It was constructed in 2006. It is a 302,000 acre-foot, 373 million meters 3 body getting its water from the Kech and Nying rivers. Mirani Dam was commissioned by Pakistan's Water and Power Development Authority